Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I am so happy I am done with what I need to do. Because summer break, we need to... Ooh, look at my hair. What is going on? I need to clean up the classroom. And today, finally, after 2 days cleaning, completely finished. I am so happy, and I completely start my summer vacation. Oh, look at this hair. What is going on? Okay, let's take a look. And it's so very comfortable. You may not see it very clear, but so very comfortable. You can see I can move around, and this one I can move around. It's kind of silky, a little bit blue, a little bit bluish, purplish. It's just so comfortable. So very comfortable. So I completely finished everything. I can start my vacation mode, and suddenly I feel this lightness, lightless, the unbearable lightness of being, the unbearable lightness of finishing something. Our life is all about goals, right? And suddenly there is not such a thing to pressure on me, to push me. I felt so weight lifted. And so I want to do an outfit of the day to start this dialogue, this self-talk, and then we can move on. How about that? Today's outfit of the day, very comfortable, still layers, almost always the same top because it's so comfortable. It's a children's skirt, children's dress, but I wear it as a tunic, something. Yeah. Okay, bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu. Bye. Yeah, bye. Okay, now let's put our eyes on the scenery here. And yeah, I just put my gimbal like this, just to have a chat. So I think maybe some people can enjoy more of a relaxed life, but still you need to find a meaning of your life. Otherwise, it will be very boring. Your life is not just about buying bags, dressing up pretty, going to restaurant, because that is kind of consuming. And we do need, a lot of us need a creative outlet, not only passively consume what is already produced. We need to feel good, feel that we are part of this life. We are part of the creation of this life. We are part of the active part of the life. And suddenly my vacation starts, everything finished. It makes me feel so kind of empty. So I came here, and this is a community garden. People taking care of rent a place, rent a certain not acreage, a certain block, and plant something. And there is a shade here, so it's very comfortable. It's extremely hot, and so I was. I want to chat with you something. Is that on the one side, I do want to have a meaning of life, have a routine of life, have something that I need to do, that I plan to do. On the other hand, I feel that I am so not wanting to push myself much. I have received one friend. I will take this opportunity to talk about it. Some commissioned work. And then suddenly I just cannot put my heart and soul into it. Why do I try so hard? I am living an okay life. And I do not have much more demand. I have food to eat. I have a roof to cover me to sleep. I have a family. Why do I still work that hard for making the material life better? And I am okay with such a material life. So I am sorry if I did not reply you. I just not in the mood, not in that, not at all. I just want to give up a very active life, not giving up on my life, but give up or slow down on ambition, because working for others and working for myself, it takes a lot of a brain power. For example, I have thought I need to do an origami meetup, painting meetup, something like online meetup, and I was thinking of starting my online class and make my Skillshare class or YouTube class even more organized and things. And then I'm thinking, why do I spend that energy? I am okay. And my goal at this age is not to be the most successful, to be the most financially proud, to be most careerly proud. No, my goal at this time is to live every day that feels okay, feels good. Does this make, sorry for the wind, does this make any sense, right? I do not need to do that much, to try too hard. And also this comes from my sister. The other day, on the internet, on the Chinese WeChat, from time to time we connect each other to chat, and she wrote the painting sister, and she wrote, now I am not working that hard. The other day I went out and I fell off, and then my bumped my leg, so I am not going out every day. Every day I go out with a big bag, with watercolor, with water, with paper, with board, with camera, with all these things. It's just too much. I want to relax a little bit. So that comments or that word suddenly lightening me up. Yes, I do not need to do too much. I do whatever I like. And it's okay if I'm not successful. And it's okay I'm not making money. It's okay I'm not famous. It's okay I'm not doing very good. For 64 years I have lived this way. I can just keep on live this way. I didn't plan to travel, and on the one side I feel boring, a little bit bored, a little bit too non-stimulative, just staying at home and then in the evening going out. But on the other hand, it is so very comfortable. I do not need to rush to a crowded place to see the big monuments, to see the historical sites. The world has lived this way for thousands of years. With or without me seeing it, it will be there. If I do not feel regret, I haven't seen the most beautiful, most brilliant, most wonderful sight of the world. If I do not regret that, nobody need to feel regret for me, right? I am okay with it. And live this life, come to a neighborhood park, finish school, not going to a faraway place. On my way there is library. On my way there is garden. On my way there is park. That is sufficient for the moment. Of course, I will go out when I feel so, right? Yeah. With this in my mind, I feel so empowering, feel so good. Anyway, do not try too hard. Do whatever you feel like. Eat whenever you need to eat, or whenever you decide not to eat. You are the owner of your life. You are the decision maker of your destiny. What should I title this? Make peace with boring life. How about that? Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Oh no, you need to thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu bye bye.